already, it's my birthday, and every year I ask for my class to give me birthday burpees. So this circuit training will consist of 4 exercises that are all burpee themed. So make sure to go at your own pace, and I'll show options throughout, so do whatever option feels best for you. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you get in a good warm-up because burpees are pretty intense. Get ready. All right. Exercise number 1 is just a regular burpee. So I'll show the first option first. So you're going to come down slowly, step one leg out, step the other leg out, come into a modified plank position and bend your elbows slightly, push back up, step up, one leg, the other leg, and stand up. Then you're going to do that again, but this time you're going to step your other leg out. Little slight elbow bend, and stand back up. If you want to make it harder or more challenging, you can jump your feet and come back into a push-up, up, and jump, making that a good burpee. We got about 7 seconds left, so picking your pleasure, doing what option feels best for you. All right? Exercise number 2 is a squat jump burpee. So I'll show modification 1 first. You're going to come down, step your legs out, do a little slight elbow bend, stand back up, and perform a squat. Down, stepping your legs back, elbow bend, stepping your legs in, and performing that squat. If you want to make it more intense, you can jump, pushing up, jump, then perform a squat jump. So, different options for whatever you feel like doing today. But make sure you get me those birthday burpees. I'm old, y'all. A lot of burpees today. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exercise number 3 is mountain climber burpees. So I'll show option 1 first. You're going to come down, step your legs out. I'm going to step my right foot out, my left foot out. I'm going to drive my right knee into my chest, then drive my left knee into my chest, drive my right knee again, drive my left knee again, and then I'm going to stand back up. This time I'll switch legs. So I come down slowly, step out with my left leg, drive my left leg, drive my right leg, drive my left leg, and stand back up. If you want to make it more challenging, you hop back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stand back up. Hop it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stand back up. Mountain climber burpees. We got about 7 seconds left. Make it a good 7 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. The 4th exercise, the final exercise, will be burpee to jumping jack. So I'll show option 1 first. My hands are going to come down onto the floor. I'm going to walk my feet back into that modified burpee, slight bend in the elbows, walking my legs back in, and stepping out and out, performing a modified jumping jack. I'll show option 1 first again. Walking my legs out, slight bend in the elbow, walking them in, and modified jumping jack, modified jumping jack. I'll show option 2 now. So it's a little bit faster. It's the same burpee that was the higher modification, but with a jumping jack. Really keeping your core tight and breathing, y'all. It's hard. We got 6 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Jennifer. This is Circuit Training's special birthday burpee edition. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Georgia State University Recreational Services, on Twitter and Instagram at GSU Recreation, and register for in-person classes at recreation.gsu.edu. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to write in the comment section below. Make sure that you've gotten a good cool down, relax. You may repeat this as many times as you want to, make sure you get 38 burpees in there for my birthday.